Hindi pera ang problema, kundi kung paano natin pinag-uusapan ang pera. In many Filipino homes, money is the quiet cause of loud arguments. Sometimes couples fight not because of lack of money, but because of lack of respect and communication. When the wife earns more, when the husband earns less, can love still stay equal? Let's explore how money, respect, and honest communication can keep the home peaceful and strong. 1. Money without communication is misunderstanding. Many couples avoid talking about money because it feels uncomfortable or even shameful. But silence breeds distance. Hindi ko alam na ganun na pala kalaki ang expenses namin. Akala ko, ako lang ang nahihirapan. Hindi ko naman sinasadya. Nahihiya lang akong sabihin kasi baka isipin niya pinapamukha ko ang kita ko. See? The problem isn't the money. It's the unspoken words. Communication isn't just about sharing numbers, it's about sharing feelings, fears, and goals. 2. Respect beyond income. Respect is the currency of love. When one earns more, the balance doesn't disappear. It just transforms. Kahit ako ang mas kumikita, siya pa rin ang sandigan ko. Walang halaga ang pera kung walang respeto. That's the kind of Filipino value that keeps homes standing tall, paggalang sa isa't isa. Because when respect is present, pride cannot destroy. Ang pera ay panggastos, pero ang respeto, yan ang puhunan ng relasyon. In healthy marriages, honor remains equal, even when salaries aren't. 3. The power of open conversations. A wise couple doesn't just talk about what they earn, they plan together. Budgeting, giving, saving, these become acts of unity, not control. Nagbago lahat nung sabay na kaming nagbubudget. Nawala yung kita ko, kita mo, naging kita natin. That's when money starts serving love, instead of controlling it. Ang pera, kapag pinag-usapan ng may respeto, nagiging kasangkapan sa kapayapaan, hindi sa division. When couples pray, plan, and prioritize together, they protect not just their finances, but their faith in each other. 4. Humility, the hidden balance. Even the richest home can collapse when humility is missing, and even the simplest home can flourish when hearts remain teachable. Natutunan ko, hindi ko kailangang ipagyabang ang sweldo ko. Mas mahalaga kung paano ko ipapakita ang pagmamahal. Hindi ko kailangang kumita ng mas malaki para mahalin. Mas mahalaga kung paano ko siya ipagdasal. Money fades, but mutual humility builds a foundation that never cracks. When was the last time you and your spouse truly talked about money, not to argue, but to understand? Maybe God isn't testing your finances. Maybe He's testing your faith, your communication, and your respect for one another. Money may change hands, but love must never change hearts. Pag may respeto, may pagkakaintindihan. Pag may komunikasyon, may direksyon. In the end, keeping balance in marriage is not about dividing power. It's about multiplying understanding. Because real wealth isn't found in the wallet. It's found in the way you listen, respect, and love each other every day. When respect and communication lead, love never falls behind.